Alright, today I'm going to show you a cheap way to have some cable management with some garbage. Tools you'll need, a drill, a blade, some sort, and some screws. First thing you want to do is take like a Pringles type can and cut the bottom off. After you get the bottom off, just give it a good rinse. You don't want all the crumbs everywhere. Now take your blade and make a cut all the way down the side. Alright, that looks good. Now, I would go ahead and make a little starter hole at the bottom of your desk with a screw. Make a hole in the Pringles can and put the screw through it. Screw it into the bottom of your desk. Preferably in a spot that won't constrict your legs or, make your screw go through something. Make sure it's a good spot before you start. Once you get that first screw, it'll be easier to get the second one in. But be sure to take it slow. If you don't have a drill and you have some time and a screwdriver, you could try to do this by hand, but a drill just makes things a lot easier. Now I'm putting 2 on my desk, so I have 1 on each end. Depending on the size of your desk, you may need more or less. And if you're wondering why my drill is so loud, it's an impact drill. It's a little bit better for screws than a normal drill. And I realized later that I had done this kind of crooked, but I wasn't being very OCD with this. Once you get all your little Pringles type cans up, you can just take your cables and start sliding them to the side. I was being a bit lazy and didn't feel like unhooking all of my cables and making it look, really nice, so I sort of just shoved what I could in there. This can look a lot better if you're willing to put a little bit more time into it than I did. I'm going to repeat the process with the other Pringles can, and I'm going to be a little bit less successful here. But in the end, if you don't feel like redoing all the wires specifically to go through this system here, then you can just take some electrical tape or duct tape and tape up the cables. I suggest electrical tape because it's, not only is it insulated, but it's also really easy to cut and tear. So here's mine with electrical tape on things. Keep the Pringles can shut once I got the wires in. Put it onto the bars. Here it is before. And here it is after. Been Postal268. Thanks for watching.